Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl once again. Today we are going to be doing a vegetable sauce. Easy, quick, and it's good for the health. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't fail to subscribe. And at the end of this video, if you like it, just give it a thumbs up. Even before the end of this video, I want to show you what I have here. So here with me, I have the turkey. I'll be using it, and I have my red bell pepper, my green bell pepper, and my yellow bell pepper. I have my sliced onions. I'll be using half of it in boiling the meat and half in frying the vegetables. So here I have my scotch bonnet pepper, which is the fresh pepper you all know. I have thyme, and I have curry. I have my Maggi cube, and here the salt I will be using. So please just come with me.
It's Kelpie Vibes.
God's willing. See, I'm gonna move to the top. Oh, when I'm working at Coca-Cola. God's willing. Yeah. As a diamond in the rough, I could shine. I could work at the top. God's willing. Yeah. Wanna make you mine, what's the fee? Cause money ain't a thing to achieve. God's willing. Yeah. I gotta maintain my cool. My get to when I hit. God's willing.
Oh yes, I believe. Say no man fit to fuck up my legacy. Only thing I see is my record and my Hennessy. Even when we had no money and girls, we had good energy. Oh yes, I believe. Girl, only you fit to be my.
It's time for me to fry the vegetables. So I will be adding my oil, little of it. Then I will allow it to get heat before adding the onions. And I will go ahead and add my red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. So before adding my scotch bonnet, so you keep stirring so that you won't allow it to get burned.
Yeah. As a diamond in the rough, I could shine. I could work at the top. God's willing. Yeah. Wanna make you mine, what's the fee? Cause money ain't a thing to achieve. God's willing. Yeah. I gotta maintain my cool. My get to when I hit. God's willing.
Oh yes, I believe. Say no man fit to fuck up my legacy. Only thing I see is my record and my Hennessy. Even when we had no money and girls, we had good energy. Oh yes, I believe. Girl, only you fit to be my medicine.
Every story went two sides. Your family said, "Boku know the two sides." My game man after the rain, I can wear blue skies. So one if low.
So this is the result of it. Wow, it looks so yummy, and it looks so beautiful. Please just subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and your comments. See you in my next video. Ciao ciao, bye bye.